everyone, welcome back to my channel. Since this is winter season, how about a soup? Yes, today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious lentil soup with masoor dal. Here are the ingredients. Masoor dal 3/4 cups soaked in water for half an hour. Onion chopped half cup. Garlic 1 tablespoon. Potato diced half cup. Carrot diced 1/4 cup. Tomato half cup. Butter 1 tablespoon. Paprika powder half teaspoon. Cumin powder half teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Pepper powder 1 teaspoon. Olive oil or sunflower oil. Now heat the pan and pour the oil. Saute garlic and saute onion. When it turns a little brown, add all the vegetables one by one. After 2 minutes, add all the powders. Stir till its rose smell goes. Masoor dal. Add 1 to 1/2 liters of boiling water. Close it with the lid and cook it for 30 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Let it boil for 5 more minutes and add pepper powder if necessary and check salt also. Off the flame after it cools. You can use a hand blender or a mixer for a smooth consistency. For garnishing. In another pan, melt the butter and add paprika powder and off the flame. This is pita bread fried for garnishing.